I'm excited, as I always am, when I get new things. I mean, who isn't excited when I get new things? Hello, my cotton candy friends. I am back with that second unboxing I promised you. It's right here. Can you tell? I'm literally so excited for this. So, this is just the outside. I'm gonna start unboxing it as I tell you the story. There's nothing fun on the outside. The other side just has my address. I ordered shoes from punkshoes.com. And they were 50% off the shoes that I wanted. I was like, oh my gosh, such a great sale. Like, I need to buy these. I have to buy them. So I bought them. And I paid, it was $11 for the regular shipping, standard, like cheapest shipping, and then $14 for the 2-day priority. So I was like, why not pay $3 extra for the 2-day priority? And if you watched my last video, you know I ordered this on the same day as I ordered my dress, which was like Friday, not this past Friday, but the previous Friday. And the dress came on Tuesday, a day earlier than it said. And it was free 3-day shipping. And these didn't. So I emailed them once, and I was like, hey, just wanted to know what's going on with my order. It hasn't shipped yet. Like, can you let me know? That was on Tuesday, the day before I got my dress. And then didn't hear from them. Finally said it shipped on Wednesday, and it's now like Friday. It's still in like the pre-shipment process, and it hasn't left California. And I was like, what the heck? So I emailed them a second time. I was like, hey, you guys didn't answer my first email. I still want to know what's going on with my package. I paid for 2-day priority, which doesn't do anything, obviously, if it hasn't been shipped out yet. And they finally emailed me back, and they said, sorry, we understand you're disappointed. They're going to refund my shipping, and I'm going to get 60% off my next pair that I order. So that's resolved, which was good. A little annoyed, but it's a lot better because I'm glad they at least, attempted to fix it. And look at, it's Y.R.U. This is my first pair of Y.R.U. shoes. I ordered some shoes, well, not me, my mother ordered some shoes for me from their site for my birthday, but they were strangecvlt. These are my first pair of like actual Y.R.U. shoes, and I'm so excited. Wait till you see which ones. Ready? I'm gonna open the box and just got it out. Oh, you can sort of see them through the paper. Look at these shoes. Look at them. They're so pretty. Oh my god. So I ordered the Y.R.U. pastel Cosmo Quasi shoes, I don't know, something like that. And they're 4-inch platforms, and I am so excited. They're my first pair of platforms. They're my first pair of Y.R.U. shoes. They're super, super cute. I love all the different pastel colors, and I thought they would go especially like super well with this dress. Give it like a nice pop of color. So there's the right shoe. Here is the left shoe. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put these on and see how they feel. Actually, let's get a close-up first. So you've got like a pink, a nice light blue, a pretty orange, like the Y.R.U. signature Y on the side, and like the pastel rainbow down here. And then you've got like a nice little pop of purple in the back. And they're super soft feeling. So I don't think they're going to be uncomfortable. I know a lot of shoes like up here can be kind of stiff, so they can be kind of uncomfortable. Let me get some socks first. So here are the shoes on. They are honestly so comfortable. Like, I wasn't sure how they were gonna be, but the inside of the shoes is really, really comfortable. Like, I could go for a little jog in these shoes. I do a little dance. And they make me tall. They're so cool. In love. I have to bend down now because the shoes have made me so tall. Thank you for watching my shoe unboxing video. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned. I'm going to be posting more videos hopefully soon. Look out for that Warped Tour inspired lookbook. And stay cute, guys. Bye.